yes. Now this is the second part of square. ये हमारा सेकंड पार्ट है, सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ स्क्वायर। ओके, सो यस, ये हमारा सेकंड पार्ट है स्क्वायर का, स्क्वायर का सेकंड पार्ट। In first part we have seen, in first part we have seen about the area of square. In first part we have seen the area of square. Okay, now in this part we will see, in this part we will see, in this part we will see the perimeter of a square. Now perimeter भी, perimeter, now perimeter of a square क्या है? Perimeter ये हमारा एक स्क्वायर है। ओके, जस्ट विल टेक द स्क्वायर एज लाइक, यस, दिस इज हमारा स्क्वायर। व्हाट पेरीमीटर सेज, now perimeter of a square says, perimeter of a square says कि covering a distance, covering the distance followed by, followed by path AB to DA, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? पेरीमीटर। सो वी नो, व्हाट वी नो, वी नो जो हमारा साइड होता है, साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज same. So this is A, this is A, this is A, and this is A. So what will write down? A plus A plus A plus A, which is equals to 4A. Okay, ये हमारा क्या होगा? 4A, where A is side of square, where is a side of square. Okay, we have seen the perimeter of square. सो पेरीमीटर बेसिकली क्या है कि जब हम लोग डिस्टेंस कवर करेंगे, कहाँ से? ए से बी, बी से सी, सी से डी एंड डी से ए तक, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? पेरीमीटर। बेसिकली पेरीमीटर इज द कवरिंग द टोटल डिस्टेंस ऑन अ बाउंड्री लाइन। दिस इज हमारा बाउंड्री लाइन, दिस ये सब हमारा क्या है? बाउंड्री लाइन है। और एरिया का होता है कि टोटल बाउंड्री लाइन के अंदर में जो भी पार्ट है, दिस वन पार्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, दिस वन पार्ट, ये हमारा टोटल क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया हो जाएगा। एंड एरिया व्हाट वी हैव सीन? ए स्क्वायर। ओके, नाउ डायगोनल ऑफ अ, now we can, now we have the we can see the diagonal of a square. Now diagonal of a square, diagonal of square, diagonal of square. Okay, so again I'll make a square A, B, C and D, and these are down diagonals, these are diagonals. Okay, AC and BD are diagonals. Okay, in square AC and BD are diagonals. Okay, so how we can find out the diagonal? So to find out diagonal, we can see, we just, we can see, or we just see in this triangle, in this triangle I'm talking about, this is हमारा 90 degree. Okay, this is हमारा 90 degree, this is हमारा 90 degree, and this is also हमारा 90 degree. Okay, so you can just see this triangle I'm talking about, I'm talking about this triangle. Okay, I'm talking about this triangle, I'm just talking about this triangle. Okay, so I can just take out this triangle and I can make it over here. So it will become like somehow this one, this is 90 degree, this is A, this is C, and this is hamara D. Okay, so you have seen this triangle. So what we can write down, this is hamara again A. Okay, so this is hamara A, So we can write down over here that this is हमारा a. Okay, just wait a while. Okay, yes, we can take the black pen and the thickness. Yes, this is a, this is a. Okay, so what we know? We know that by Pythagoras theorem. What do we know by Pythagoras theorem? Okay, yes, we know that by Pythagoras theorem. I can write down PT. That is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem क्या है हमारा? What we know? H square is equals to P square plus B square. Okay, so H is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse क्या है? ये 90 डिग्री के जस्ट सामने वाला हमारा hypotenuse होता है. So AC का square is equals to P is perpendicular. Perpendicular is DC. DC का square plus AD. AD का square. So what we have AC का square. AC is what हमारा AC. AC का square is equals to DC. DC is what A plus A का square. Okay, A plus A का square. So A plus A is 2A का square is equals to AC का square. Okay, we have got 2 plus AC का square. So AC is equals to what? Root under 2A का square. So AC is what? AC is हमारा diagonal. AC is हमारा diagonal. So diagonal क्या हो गया हमारा AC. AC का square क्या हो जाएगा हमारा root under 2 A square. Okay, so AC can be written as D. D where D denotes the diagonal. Okay, so D equals to root 2 और A का स्क्वायर है रूट के अंदर है तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा A. ओके, सो वी हैव गॉट, सो फ्रॉम ये हमारा क्या हो गया डायगोनल. सो डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा हमारा रूट टू A. ओके, डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर व्हाट वी हैव गॉट, डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर वी हैव गॉट रूट टू A. So now relation between diagonal and now the another is relation between the diagonal and square side. Okay, what is the relation between diagonals and a square side? Okay, so from here, from this point, what we can write down, we can take as D. Okay, we can take as a D. So we can take as a D. Just take me. So D is equals to root 2A, where A is side of square. Here also where A is sides of square. Okay, so हमारा क्या होगा, A हमारा क्या होगा, square होगा. Okay, so now we can take out D from here. So A just send D 1 by 2 to this side. So this will be D upon root 2 is equals to A. So we can write down from this, by seeing this we can write down what we can write down. Seeing this we can write down of square side of square SQU side of square is equals to diagonal upon root under 2. Okay, so we can write down diagonal upon root under 2. This is our side of a square which is written as a. So in this we have completed the perimeter of a square and the diagonal of a square and the relation between diagonal and sides. So in next chapter we'll see about the trapezium. Okay, so till then all of you, bye, take care, and work hard, read hard, and just subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. Okay.